Space, the final frontier, a vast expanse that stretches beyond our imagination, filled with wonders and mysteries yet to be uncovered. It calls to us. It beckons us to explore its mysteries, to venture into the unknown and seek out new horizons. We humans are explorers at heart. From the moment we left Africa, we have been driven by an insatiable curiosity. We crossed the oceans, scaled mountains, and ventured into the deepest jungles. Now we set our sights on the stars. The cosmos is our next great adventure, a journey that will take us beyond the confines of our home planet. For centuries, we have gazed at the night sky, marveling at its beauty and wondering about the secrets it holds. We wondered about those points of light, each one a distant sun, possibly with its own planets and perhaps even life. We dreamed of traveling to other worlds, of setting foot on alien landscapes and discovering new forms of life. Now, that dream is within reach. Advances in technology have brought us closer than ever to making interplanetary travel a reality. We stand on the cusp of a new era, an era where humanity will expand its presence beyond Earth. We are ready to become a multi-planetary species. Our first destination, Mars, the red planet, a cold, dry world yet full of potential, yet it holds the promise of life. Scientists believe that beneath its surface, Mars may harbor the conditions necessary for life to exist. It represents the next giant leap for humanity, a step that will change the course of our history. We will not go alone. Our journey to Mars will be a collective effort, involving nations, organizations, and individuals from around the world. Leading the charge is SpaceX, a company with a bold vision and the determination to make it a reality. A company with a bold vision. A future where humanity lives on multiple planets, ensuring our survival and opening up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. A future where humanity lives on multiple planets, ensuring our survival and opening up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. Why Mars? Why is this red planet our next frontier? Why not a different planet? What makes Mars so special? Mars is our closest neighbor. It's the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. It has resources we can use: minerals, metals, and most importantly, water. Water ice is beneath the surface. This could be crucial for sustaining human life. It has a day-night cycle similar to Earth's. A day on Mars, or a sol, is just 40 minutes longer than a day on Earth. Mars was once a warm and wet planet. It had a climate that could have supported life. It had rivers and oceans, maybe even life itself. But something happened to Mars. Its atmosphere thinned, its water disappeared. The planet became the barren landscape we see today. Can we learn from Mars's fate? Can we understand what went wrong? Can we prevent a similar fate for Earth? Our planet faces its own challenges. Space historian, media, SpaceX's vision for multiplanetary life. CGI of asteroid impact simulations. SpaceX believes in making life multiplanetary, not just for exploration, but for survival. Earth faces threats, climate change, asteroid impacts. We need to think ahead, we need a backup plan. Mars offers that hope, a new beginning. This is not just about escaping Earth's problems, it's about creating new opportunities. It's about expanding our horizons, pushing the boundaries of human potential. It's about ensuring the survival of our species, adapting and thriving in new environments. It's about becoming a spacefaring civilization, a future where humanity is not confined to one planet, but explores the stars. SpaceX is building Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel. It's the biggest rocket ever built, more powerful than the Saturn V that took us to the moon. Starship is not just a rocket, it's a transportation system. It will carry people and cargo to Mars, and bring them back to Earth. It can even travel further, to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. SpaceX engineer Starship is designed for reusability, like a commercial airliner. This will make space travel more affordable. More people will have the chance to go to Mars, to build a new life. This is not science fiction. This is SpaceX's vision, making humanity multiplanetary, and Starship is the key. Getting to Mars is hard, it takes a lot of fuel. Traditional rocket fuel is heavy. It limits how far we can go. SpaceX has a solution. Methane and oxygen, these can be made on Mars. Using resources on Mars is crucial. It's called in-situ resource utilization, or ISRU. It means we don't have to carry everything from Earth. We can make fuel on Mars. This will make return trips possible. Mission control specialist. Imagine a future. Starships launching from Mars, carrying explorers further into space. This is the power of ISRU. It makes Mars a stepping stone to the rest of the solar system. SpaceX is pioneering this technology, making Mars a refueling station, a gateway to the cosmos. This is a game changer for space exploration. The journey to Mars is long. It will take about 6 months. Astronauts will face challenges.
Yeah, like radiation exposure, microgravity's effects on the body, and being confined in a small space.
SpaceX is working to mitigate these risks. They are developing radiation shielding for Starship, creating artificial gravity environments, and providing entertainment and communication for the crew. The journey will be challenging, but it will also be an incredible experience.
Imagine seeing Earth shrink in the distance and watching Mars grow larger as you approach. The first humans to land on Mars will be pioneers. They will be writing a new chapter in human history. They will inspire generations to come.
Landing on Mars is difficult. The atmosphere is thin, which makes slowing down hard. SpaceX has a plan.
Starship will use its powerful engines and perform a belly flop maneuver. This will slow it down enough to land safely. Landing large payloads on Mars is crucial. We need to send habitats, life support systems, and everything else needed to survive on Mars.
Starship is designed to do just that. This technology will pave the way for building a permanent human presence on Mars. We will go from explorers to settlers, establishing a new home for humanity. The first landing will be a momentous occasion. The world will be watching as humanity takes its first steps on another planet. Mars is a harsh world, but we can make it habitable. We can use technology to survive and thrive. One step is creating a breathable atmosphere.
SpaceX proposes using a process called terraforming. It involves releasing greenhouse gases into the Martian atmosphere. This could warm the planet, melt the polar ice caps, and create a denser atmosphere. Terraforming will take time, centuries even.
But in the meantime, we can create smaller enclosed habitats. These will provide breathable air, comfortable temperatures, and protection from radiation.
Imagine walking on Mars without a spacesuit, breathing the Martian air and seeing plants growing in Martian soil. This is the future SpaceX envisions.
Section 8. The Martian City. The first Martian settlement will be small, just a few pioneers, but over time it will grow into a thriving city, with homes, businesses, and even schools.
This Martian city will be different from anything on Earth. It will need to be self-sufficient, producing its own food, water, and energy, recycling waste and using resources efficiently.
This city will be a hub of innovation. We will develop new technologies to adapt to the Martian environment and solve problems we've never faced before. Life on Mars will be an adventure, a chance to build a new society based on sustainability, exploration, and the pursuit of knowledge. Section 9. Challenges of Mars. The red planet Mars has always fascinated humanity, but living there presents a unique set of challenges. Living on Mars won't be easy. The environment is harsh and unforgiving. We will face many challenges. The thin atmosphere, which is mostly carbon dioxide, makes breathing impossible without life support systems. The lack of liquid water is another major hurdle. We will need advanced technology to extract water from the Martian soil and ice. The radiation exposure on Mars is significantly higher than on Earth, due to the thin atmosphere and lack of a magnetic field. These are just a few of the obstacles.
The Martian soil is toxic, containing perchlorate that are harmful to humans. We'll need to find ways to grow food in it or import nutrients from Earth. Hydroponic farming and other innovative agricultural techniques will be essential. The distance between Earth and Mars poses significant communication challenges. Messages will take several minutes to travel between the planets, making real-time communication impossible.
But these challenges are not insurmountable. With determination and creativity, we can find solutions. We will overcome them with human ingenuity, with technological innovation, with the same spirit of exploration that has always driven us. Advanced robotics, AI, and new materials will play crucial roles. The challenges of Mars will push us to our limits, but they will also bring out the best in us, forcing us to innovate, collaborate, and persevere. Together, we will turn these challenges into opportunities for growth and discovery. Section 10. Importance of a multiplanetary life. Becoming a multiplanetary species is not just a dream, it's a necessity. Earth is finite, its resources are limited. We need to find new homes to ensure the long-term survival of humanity.
By expanding to other planets, we are not abandoning Earth. We are protecting it by reducing the strain on its resources and giving ourselves a backup plan in case of disaster.
This is about more than just survival. It's about expanding our knowledge, our understanding of the universe, and our place in it. By becoming multiplanetary, we are embracing our destiny as explorers, innovators, and pioneers. We are securing the future of humanity. Section 11. Our future on Mars. The future on Mars is bright. We will build a new home, a new society, a new chapter in human history. Imagine children born on Mars, gazing up at a red sky, dreaming of exploring the stars.
This is the future SpaceX is working towards. A future where humanity is a spacefaring civilization. A future where we have unlocked the secrets of the universe.
This is a future worth striving for, a future we can all be a part of. By supporting space exploration, by encouraging innovation, by inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. The journey to Mars has already begun. Join us and be a part of history in the making.